Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a Barbie inspired makeup look. Going in with my cushion foundation from Bare and Bliss. This is in the shade 02. I really like this foundation because it is a good match for my skin tone. And here, this is my first time trying this actually, and I really like the coverage. Very natural and lightweight. Going on to my the same concealer in the shade 03 and stippling it on with my foundation brush. I like using brushes because it saves me the hassle of washing the sponge every time I use it. I make sure to use stippling motion so that there are no concealer streaks, and then moving on to my Bare and Bliss powder in the shade 02. This is a tad bit lighter than my skin tone, but it sets my foundation very well. Then, using my AOA Brow Studio pencil, I'm just gonna shape the definition of my eyebrows and then putting some on the sparse ends of my brows. Making sure to tint my brows with my tinted brow gel from Nichido. This is in the shade brunette. And what it does is that it simply tints your brows to match your hair color. And right now I have brown hair color. Then using my Detail Cosmetics face palette, the two bronzer slash contour shades to add more definition to my face. Gotta snatch that jaw. Of course, we have to contour our nose, and I'm using a small kabuki brush here just to shape my nose because it's not perfect unlike Barbie's. And I'm really learning how to contour my nose according to my nose shape because I have a cute button nose, so I try to work with it. Using the soft pink blush from that Detail Cosmetics palette, I'm just gonna put it on my face. Of course, we're gonna use that because it's Barbie, guys. And then using the light pink eyeshadow from the CZ Rose eyeshadow palette to put it on my crease. And then taking that soft pink blush again just to tie in the whole look together, make it look more cohesive. Next up is that pink mauve in the center of the eyeshadow palette, and then I think I'm gonna deepen the outer crease here. Yep, I'm right. And then the two dark brown rosy shades and further adding definition to the outer V of my crease. Using a facial mist to spritz that brush, and I'm taking that pink purple glitter shade. In hindsight, I should have used a glitter glue, but I don't have any in my collection, so facial mist it is. Using that same brush for the light pale pink glitter shadow and putting it on the inner parts of my eyelid, just to have some dimension to the sparkle. Next is the highlighter from the face palette and putting that to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. I'm using this highlighter because it is icy in tone, so it complements the pink look. This is the Bare and Bliss brown eyeliner, and I'm just using that to put on my winged eyeliner. I know it's a miracle. I don't usually do winged eyeliner, but I find it flatters my eye shape more, so I'm trying to practice putting on eyeliner. It's quite a struggle, but I'm getting there. Yes, put that wings on, girl. And then, using my Maybelline Tattoo Studio brown eyeliner to tightline my eyes. Adding more soft pink blush because you can have more blush, Putting it on my nose also. And using that highlighter to highlight the highest points of my face. So we have the nose, the cheeks, and then the cupid's bow. Spritzing myself with the same facial mist, letting it dry before curling my eyelashes. This is the Innisfree eyelash curler and it hugs my eye shape more, so I like this one. Using the Unclot Spice Cosmetics Mascara to put some volume and length on my lashes. I really like this one. It has a curved shape to the wand, which makes it more accessible to the innermost and outermost part of my lashes. Using my Sunny's Face lipstick in the shade Bunny, I believe. Fun fact, Margot Robbie's makeup artist used Soft Serve from Sunny's Face lipstick in one of their press conferences, so that's a win. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and learned a thing or two. Bye!